For some reason I think I look kinda messy. I hope it's not true. Anyway, what is going on with my hair? Anyway, I feel kind of strange sitting here in front of the camera because I wasn't doing this for a couple of weeks, so yes, it's kind of it's giving me a kind of like weird feeling. But yes, I wasn't doing much in the last couple of weeks. I was just at home mostly. I think I was going out like a couple of times. And I was just reading for the rest of the time. And I think this vlog will be like a couple of days, because in this Saturday I'm gonna have one more festival. It's like a small one. I think I'm gonna be participating in it for the first time, so I'm kind of nervous, but I hope it's gonna be okay. Here's my babies. I've been reading The Folk of the Air. I have special edition. It's shiny. It's Russian special edition, and it's gorgeous. I think it's just the gold of my collection. And I finished it, and I have kind of like mixed feelings about this, because while in the process of reading, I was in love, I was obsessed, and I finished this trilogy real quick, and like 2.5 weeks it took me, and I must say, it's really fast for me. Like I was never a fast reader, but now I think I am, thanks to this trilogy. I kind of I have mixed feelings about this trilogy, because I understood that the second I finished it, I lost my interest. Like in the process of reading, I was planning on reading also like dialogy of Oak and his girlfriend, but the second I finished the main trilogy, I was just not interested. I don't know, it's some kind of magic. And this book also includes the letter from Tarin, and I still haven't read it. I just have no interest, but I like trilogy really much. But I don't know. I think I sound really chaotic. Anyway, maybe I'm gonna speak more on these books when I'm gonna film a video about like the books I have read in this summer. I think I'm gonna do this. Like right now my thoughts are very chaotic and my neck is hurt also. Also, I started like Grishaverse, Alina's trilogy, and this is the book from library. I didn't have like physical books of this trilogy. The first one I was reading on my iPad. It's the second one, and also like somewhere there I have the third one. And I don't think I'm quite fond of this trilogy. It's kind of, I don't know, it's a little bit boring for me. I think it's because I have read The Folk of the Air in the first place, and it's kind of like new school of the romantasy, and Alina's trilogy, it's kind of like old school, and it's just I don't know, the characters a little bit plain and like, I don't know. But I liked and I like still Nikolai a lot, and I don't know. I don't know what to say. I think I'm gonna read the third book because I wanted to start The Six of Crows a lot. I ship Vesper so much. They are my boys. And I also wanted to, and I'm planning on reading Nikolai trilogy, dialogy. It's 2 books, it's not 3. And the second Alina's book, it was hard. I think I've been reading this book longer than I thought I would. It's sad. And while I was reading the second book about Alina, randomly I started to rewatch the Shadowhunters. And between the series and the Alina's second book, I started to rereading The Mortal Instruments, The City of Bones, the first book. It's so old. I have this one since I was teenager, and I still have like some dry plants inside. I don't know where is it from. It's so cute. Yes, so, but I was mostly, I wasn't reading it. I was like listening the audiobook. So yes, because I haven't much time to read this book also in the same time with this one. So for example, when I was like on the walk or in the gym, I was listening The City of Bones. It was good. I love Malek. Alec and Magnus is my babies, my fathers. I love them. But it's also like the old school book from this genre. So it wasn't boring, but it was kind of childish. I don't know, maybe I hope the next books will be better. And I really do want to read trilogy about Alec and Magnus, and also books, a few, I think it's 2 or 3 books about only Magnus, like his history, his backstory. So yes, I don't know, I finished the second one, Alina's book, and the first one of The Mortal Instruments, and I kind of like, I have nothing to read. Most precisely, I don't know what to read, because Alina's books was kind of boring, and I'm not rushing to read the third book, but I kind of want to like get over with this book and just like finish and forget about it. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna read the third book, maybe I'm gonna read the second book of the Mortal Instruments, or maybe I'm gonna read the Six of Crows. Because I heard that you don't need to know Alina's trilogy to read the Six of Crows, so it's already 9 minutes. What the... Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna to the library. You are going with me. They didn't have any of the books I needed. The weather has suddenly become quite terrible. It's still terrible. And I'm back and I'm just wet everywhere. I am feeling like a wet, like rat. I don't know, I don't like this wet feeling. So yes. Actually, also, I changed my mind about this video. In the beginning, I said that I wanted to be like a few days with me, because this Saturday I have festival, but because of me, because of the way I was talking about the books so long, I don't want this video to be too long, like 20 minutes. I have a message from my mom. Anyway, I don't want this video to be too long, and I already have it pretty long, I guess. And I think the festival will be in another video, so sorry for lying to you a little. Yes, I do like my makeup today. I'm so wet, I can't. I can't. I need to go to the shower immediately, or I'm gonna go insane. I'm just finished rewatching the Shadowhunters, and now I'm gonna do a little cleaning because my room is a mess. But I wanted to say a couple of things on this series. I cried a little because I don't know, this particular like book series and the series, like the book adaptation, it's really so dear to me because it's just so much of a nostalgia, because I watched this series and I read the first and a couple of chapters of the second one book, and I just it's so dear to me, really. Alec and Magnus so much. They are my fathers. Like, I know opinions in the fandom is like, I know not a lot of people like this adaptation, but I know it's not ideal, but I still love it in some ways. It's just something from the childhood, kind of. Like, I wasn't a child when I no, I was kind of, I was 14 maybe, or even less. I think I said that before. I was kind of a child, kind of teenager, but I have so much to say. But at the same time, I have no words. I just so grateful, kind of, and glad that that other day I decided to finish the series. I just I want to say thank you, like one particular editor on TikTok. Maybe I'm just gonna leave it somewhere here. Yes, because I wasn't planning on finishing the series, but I saw one I saw one particular edit of Alec, and I was hooked. I was like, it just so much nostalgia from one edit, and I dropped all my things I had to do, and I just started to watch this series. And I have no regrets. I'm so happy. I just wanted to like film this particular moment of me. Yes, so I think I seem a little bit silly right now, but it's really meaningful to me, and I can't wait to read the second book, because I already finished the first one the other day. So yes, I also the other day I found the series called The White Princess, and in this series there's an actor of Nikolai from The Shadow and Bone, and the whole series looks so beautiful, so I am thinking maybe I'm gonna watch it too. And also, I recently I wanted to watch the Sandman, because I saw spoilers, and there is an actor of Glenn Hightower from the House of the Dragon. I in love with this character and this actor, and because of him, I want to watch this series. Not right now, because I'm gonna do cleaning, but in the future, maybe. I'm gonna start reading. I'm gonna start reading the second book of the Mortal Instruments. I was surprised when I realized that Cassandra's Clare books kind of chunky, like it's almost 600 pages, and I don't think it's big, but it's definitely bigger than the most of the romance and fantasy books these days. I think, I guess, I suspect. Maybe it's not true. I just think so. So yes, it's in Russian. I had this book since I was a teenager, and the cute thing about this particular book, and the first one that I also have, it's that when I was a teenager, I was obsessed with collecting like some, not flowers, but just you know, like leaves and stuff, and drying them. So I just have it all around my teenage books that I have and had, but not here, but I have a few of them in my other books. So yes, I'm gonna start reading it right now.